Welcome, learner. We are looking now in this lesson. We are looking at now prime numbers. We will look at the even numbers and the odd numbers and the various types of odd numbers. So we realize we have to proceed to the third natural number, prime numbers. So let us first define them. Define it. So we see prime numbers are special odd numbers which are grouped in what is called consecutive odd numbers. So we are defining prime numbers. We see consecutive odd numbers have got only maximum of two divisors. And we see it with the exception of only one number called 1 that is not a prime number. Therefore, we say prime numbers are natural numbers with only, mark the word only, two divisors. Divisors are also called factors. That is one as a number and the number itself E.g., we are identifying prime numbers, prime numbers between, let us say 0 to 40. I'll do it quickly so that you can pause and identify them before I do them. So for example, we have here prime numbers. So numbers with only two divisors. That is one as a number and the number itself. So number one here, we have 2. 2 as a number has got only two divisors. It is 1 and 2. And 2 is the only even number which is a prime number. Then we come to 3, 1 and 3. We come to 5, 1 and 5. We come to 7, 1 and 7. Remember, 9 has got 3 divisors, 1, 3 and 9. Therefore, 9 is not a prime number. We go to 11, 11, 1 and 11. Come to 13, 1 and 13. And we come to 15 is not a prime number. It has 3, 1, 5 and 1, actually 4. 1, 3, 5 and 15. So 15 is not a prime number. Therefore, we go to 17, 1 and 17. We come to 19, 1 and 19. We come to 23, 1 and 23. Come to 29, 1 and 29. Come to 31, 1 and 31. 33 has got 3, actually 4. 1, 11, 3 and 33. Then we come to 37. That is 1 and 37. So 39 has got more than 2 divisors. That is 1, that is 3, 13 and 39. So these are the example of prime numbers between 0 to 40. Therefore, let us make some conclusion. Number 1 conclusion. 2 is the only even number that is a prime number since it has got only 2 divisors. Then number 2, number 1 as a number is not a prime number since it has only one divisor. That is 1. There is no any other divisor. So 1 is not a prime number. Learner, get that. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the only even number that is a prime number since it has got 2 divisors. You can pause now the video and you do more example in terms of listing prime numbers from 40 to 100. And remember, we've said numbers that are only having 2 divisors, that is 1 as a number and the number itself. 9, let me use clock. 9 is not a prime number, is not a prime number since it has three divisors. That is 1, 3, and 9. The same for 15. It has 1, 3, and 5, and 15. 21 has got 1, 3, 7, and 21. These are not prime numbers. Not prime numbers. Since why? They have got more than two devices. So in the next lesson, we look at more about examples of natural numbers. So see you in the next lesson.